Look at this leaderboard, guys. Today, I earned $1,400 with just 4 trades. Stay tuned to this video, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you how to trade using the powerful Stochastic Oscillator indicator. First, click here and select the Stochastic Oscillator. No need to change any settings, just keep it as it is. Now, let me explain how it works. Whenever the red and green lines cross like this, it gives us a strong signal for a trade. For example, when the green line crosses below the red line, we look for a buy signal. On the other hand, if the green line crosses above the red line, it's a signal for a sell trade. It's that simple and effective. Here's a live example. You can see the green line crossing below the red line, and the candle aligns perfectly. I'm entering an up trade with my full amount, $150. And perfect. It's a super win. Now, I have $270 in my account. Now check this out. The green line is crossing above the red line at the top. This signals a down trade for the next candle. Let's go all in again. Amazing! Another deep win with a difference of $73. My account is now at $480. Next, here's another opportunity. The green line crosses above the red line just like before. Let's take a down trade with my full amount again. $480. Boom! Another deep win with a $33 difference. My account now sits at $855. Let's go for one last trade. The green line crosses below the red line this time, giving us a strong up trade signal. I'm using my full amount, $855. And wow! That's a win with a $44 difference. I started this session with just $150 and now have $1,607. Let me show you the leaderboard again. $1,457 profit, and my position is 29. Not bad, right? You can get these kinds of sure-shot signals daily. Join my Telegram signal channel. It's completely free. For example, last night I started with just $100 and ended with $710 in 3 trades. All were step-by-step wins. Here's how it worked. Start with $100. Take the first trade. Win. Reinvest for the second trade. Win again. Repeat for the third trade. Boom! $710 in total. If you want to join and get these winning signals, the link is in the description below. Don't miss out on these opportunities.